Okay, I'm going to try something a little different today. Got this clutch from Amazon. Brand new, never opened. For a mini bike or go-kart, something that's chain drive. Never been opened. Sitting on the shelf for about a year. I don't think I'm going to use it. So I'm posting it on Facebook Marketplace and Kijiji.ca for like 60 bucks. Just get it out of here. But brand new, never open. Cut her open now. And take a peek. It's heavy. Seems well quality by the weight. There's the part number if anybody needs it for this clutch. There we go. Put that off to the side. Oh, look. Very smooth. You can see the weights in there. Everything. I believe it's a 10 tooth. Oh, 13 tooth. Sorry. Forget the shaft size, but everything's here for it. See inside the shaft, you can see the keyway in there. It's in there for it. You can feel it's right there. Never used. First time out of the box. If anyone's interested in it, it will be listed on Kijiji.ca, Ontario, and Facebook Marketplace. All right. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.